Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony GPX555 or GPX888 Stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this stereo not connecting or not responding or not working in any kind of way like that, there's something wrong with the sound, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you're trying to set this up as a new stereo and you just want to kind of get it back to its out-of-the-box settings, maybe you're selling it, maybe you bought a used one, anything like that where you just want to kind of get a clean start on it, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. We need to just connect our stereo to the power and then plug it. And then once we do that, we're going to turn it on. And once it's on, we're going to come into the control panel. And we're going to find the stop button and the pan button. And you're going to press them both simultaneously for about 3 seconds. Basically just continue to hold them until you'll actually see on the screen. It will come up and it will say cold reset. We'll scroll across the screen, at which point you can let go, allow it to finish its reset, and you can set this stereo up as a new stereo.